It's not the holidays, but today we're going to make some ornaments. Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today we're going to make some ornaments using these paints. And let me tell you about them. It is a new line from Plaid, and they are Murano glass paints. So let's go through the colors real quick. Opaque black, transparent vintage pink. I feel like I'm seeing more of this color, so let me know if you think vintage pink is coming back into style, because I kind of have a feeling it might be. Transparent orange, opaque white, transparent bright blue, transparent green, transparent peri purple. So I'm thinking like periwinkle-ish. Metallic gold, metallic silver, frost, transparent yellow, and transparent red. We're going old school and we're going to do some ornaments. And a lot of you probably have done something very similar to this years ago, and if not, if it's new, great technique. Done it with acrylic paints, done it with nail polish, but this seems like a really great new one to try. I want to see if maybe they'll blend a little bit or not. Either way, I think it'll look really cool. All you need to do is protect your work surface and, grab some plastic cups, could be paper cups, whatever you want to use, and some plain glass ornaments. It could be dusty on the outside like mine, it doesn't matter. I've never used this paint before, so I'm pretty excited because, well, how can you not be? I love trying new stuff. So let me quick read the directions, put on my granny glasses. It says, use on glass and glazed ceramics. First, clean surface with alcohol, water-based, non-toxic, indoor-outdoor. You can brush it on. You can pour it, swirl it, drip it, squeeze directly from applicator. Top rack dishwasher safe. When cured, to cure, air dry. Project for 48 hours. Place in a cool oven, heat to 350, bake 30 minutes. Cool in oven. So before we start the paint, we need to clean these. I was going to do 3 ornaments, but you start working on something like this and you cannot stop. So we're going to go 4. And 4 is hopefully enough for you not to get bored watching me. All I'm going to do is pour a little rubbing alcohol in, give it a swirl. Then I'm just going to pour it right into another one and plop that right down on a cup. Swirl this one around. Pour it into the next one. Just want to make sure you get it all covered. Ornaments are clean and dry. I'm going to put 3 out of the way here. Oh, gosh darn it. And I broke one. Okay, don't do that. I'm going to do one at a time. I'm going to go primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and just see if they do end up blending together. All right, I think I'm going to start with actually a little bit of opaque white. I'm going to drip it in here and there. I don't really know how much to use. We'll figure that out together. Big squirt there.
I started alternating the colors, the yellow, the blue, and then the red, and then I started all over again with the white, and then the yellow, and then the blue, and then the red. And I did that until I felt I had enough paint to cover the entire inside of the ornament.
Now we have lots of dots, so now I'm going to just do some bigger squirts in here. Okay, it looks pretty just like this. I am going to try to get full coverage, so let's move it around. It's starting to streak together here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So I'm going to keep moving it. I hope it streaks together, hope it blends together and makes pretty colors. Let's be honest, you can never miss with a good ornament project. I'm thinking I might have gone eased up on the white a little bit because that is an opaque color, but we'll see. We'll see how it all comes together. And I'm just going to tap it to get those colors moving a little bit. Ooh, look at that streak. All right, now all I'm gonna do is flip this back upside down on my cup, and then it will just continue to blend, hopefully, and then any excess will come out. But it looks pretty cool. Might have gone easier on the white again, but we'll see how it dries. Let's go with these 2 colors, the transparent vintage pink and the transparent bright blue. And we're gonna keep the frost, which is this one, and the metallic gold and silver off to the side. And we might throw some of that in there, but let's start with, well, I'm gonna start with some frost. I'm gonna go very random.
I did the white, the pink, and the blue.
I do like those colors together. So let's throw a little metallic in there just for the fun of it. We don't gotta go crazy with the metallic.
And then I did the gold and the silver inside it as well. And then I repeated all of the colors.
Pretty colors, love them all together. I'm just gonna swirl it around. And the intriguing thing about this is, okay, they're gonna blend together for sure, but how they're going to dry, because we have a mix of, like, the metallics are opaque, but the blue, the pink, and the frost are transparent. This project I learned years ago on the Carol Duvall show, and that's probably the first time I ever heard of plaid. So many years ago. Throw me a comment if you used to watch the Carol Duvall show too. She was my favorite. Okay, I think we got good coverage. We lost a lot of the pink. That was unexpected, but that's okay. We'll just see how it all happens. Plop that upside down, let it happen. I feel like we have to do one with all of the transparent colors. I'm gonna start with the frost, and I'm gonna go light to dark. So these are gonna be all transparent, except the frost might be semi-transparent. We'll just have to see how that one turns out.
So you get what I'm doing. So I started with the yellow, orange, the pink, and then I went on to the green, the red, the blue, and then the peri purple.
And I'm gonna just splotch that one right over. Now this last one, I was thinking I'd forgotten about the black. So what looks best with black? Obviously, metallics look super great with black. I think I'm gonna do the red. Then I'm gonna do some silver, and I want to get some of it right on top of the red if I can. Because remember, that red is gonna be transparent, so I'm thinking maybe the metallic will show through when that red dries. I could be totally wrong on this. Okay, and then the rest of it, I'm gonna do just the black, which is a little bit runnier, so that kind of works out, I guess. Okay. Now I'm gonna just let it all run together. We'll see if the black overwhelms everything, or we're gonna shake this one, give it a good shake. Get those colors moving together. And then we're gonna let that dry as well. 48 hours. It has been 48 hours, and now we get to look at our stuff. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the ornaments and how they turned out. We have this one. This one is taking the color very differently than the other ones, and it's still cool, and you can see the metallic, and in the sunlight it looks more shimmery. So it looks cool, but this one is definitely more muted than I would have expected. We're gonna pop the tab in there again. So here's number one. Very cool. And then there was this one. I can't remember the colors we put in. We put the blue, the gold, the silver, and the white, I believe. Look at the pretty streaks in there. Pop that right in. And then we have this one, which had the vintage pink. And I think, do we have yellow in here? And then look at how pretty. Look at those colors and those streaks and how they blended together. It's always very interesting to see how paint runs together. And here's the last one with the green, the orange, the blue. Definitely let me know if you'd give these Murano glass paints a try. They're pretty cool. Let me know what you think of the ornaments too. If you want to see other fun projects, go check out this one. I know you're gonna love it. And remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I will see you over there.